and it's really thick density, so feel free to blend it out nicely. You don't need a whole lot, but you don't want to do too little, and you don't want to do too much. Too much is going to flood your crystal, and you do too little, it's not going to be enough for your crystals, especially when you do a flat like back and no prime. But then if you're doing a 3D or cluster crystals, you need a little bit more amount of it. I don't even think I'm should doing it like 3D for all of you. So no wipe top coat on the top of condensed glue gel. See that little effects from the chromes underneath, it's really make me so satisfied. So I am going to the next shape of the nails. I'm excited. Okay. Huh? Did I mix it up?
You mix it up.
It's okay. I got it. I think this is a rectangle angles.
That's just color an obelisk. And like a big stone tablet. Oh, live's over an hour.
I just saw nothing and then it's already over.
Yeah. Okay, say hi.
Hello Instagram, welcome back. Sorry, it was like Instagram was out because over an hour. So thanks so much for, oh, thanks so much, Brave About Nails. I have a hard time to get back in. I'm supposed to put the frame first. I'm going to using my Rose Gold collection right here for the frame. Oh, I really like it. Hello Rose Gold beats. Some way I got it. We can't do without the rose gold beat. Can Instagram see me? Thanks so much for coming back, everyone's Instagram. I think it's just an hour, so they will cut it off and we'll come right back. So I'm filling my beads along with my crystal and the frames right here. Okay, adjusting it. Looks super cute. This is one really nice simple if the clients want. How much would you charge for this at the salon if you're doing this design for your clients? Before we'll start blinking it up, like just like simple like this, beautiful, cute, two shape. At the salon. Princess Nails by Jackie. We're using condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat. Great. So if you want a simple like this, I don't know, it depends on the salons how much is will be is your service. I'm just wondering. Great. Really simple one. Thank you. You like it like this? Can leave it alone like this before I start blinking. Like I can blink them all up, but if you want to leave it like this, I think it looks cute though, huh? Do you think? Okay, now we key it for 60 seconds. It's weird because it's so simple. I'm start if you say that no, Nancy, bling it on, like I'm gonna start bling everything. Okay. So next one is mini crystal leaf that we're gonna using on that one. I am gonna continue using some of my frames right here. Super cute and really cool and stunning. Just for your informations. And I'm gonna bend this frame for a little bit. This is really flat, so I'm gonna place them. Doesn't matter, you can place them both on that. Can you see it from here? And just press it. Give a good press. And it curve for me. Down here. Right there. Release, really easy to make it so frames bend so nice. Precision glue. And I am going to check on, I feel scratchy right here. I'm checking on the cracks, gaps, and edges of all crystals in the frames. I really like it though. So simple. This one, it depends on the salon. Between, you could able to chalk this one between at least $8 for this nails or $10. You don't want to go lower than that because you have two different shape and your frame and your beads as well. So it looks really simple, cute, but it's not like, it's simple, but it's not simple enough that you should chalk this one for $5. It starts to be 8 or 10 at least, or $12. It really depends on salon location. So I'm using a twin tip brush and run through it on the edges and blend it out nicely, so then when after you key it doesn't look lumpy and bumpy on the side. Key it for 60 seconds and this nails is beautiful done. Hey, the glam girl, how are you, sweetie? Thank you so much for tuning in. Hi Foxy, what time in your time right now?